Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in Photos Legacy app, when you try to import any video from your computer, and if you are receiving this error, that is something went wrong and we couldn't add files. And this is happening after updating your Windows. So if you think, in my case, after updating my Windows 11, I'm facing this problem. So if you're facing this problem, in that case, you can go to settings and then you can go to Windows Update, go to updates history and then scroll down and then click on uninstall update. And here you can see this is the latest update which I have installed. So it may be any update. After installing any latest update, if you're facing this problem, you can uninstall the recently installed update. So click on uninstall, and this process will take some time. So let the uninstall complete and then you have to restart your computer. Now, once the uninstall is complete, here you can see uninstall restart required. So make sure that you restart your computer after this. Restart is a must. Now, after the system restart, you can open Photos Legacy app and then you can go to video editor and then you can try to import any file now. And this time here you can see I did not receive the error. So you have to uninstall the update, recently installed update. You have to uninstall it, restart your computer, and then you can check. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.